the song, Venda Gigs 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 the song. Up in the weekend, rotura na majita, push that machine, vana bakozita.
Ni ini kongo kudondo mbuza nire hova album kana ku album.
It is what it is when it is what it is.
Wherever it is.
Sorry for you, baby. You know what it is when you know what it is. It is what it is.
Etari.
Halala.
Etari. Nire.
Sure. Baswa.
Nire prefix what I mean.
Baswa ko safara, you know. Nire
prefix officer album. Nire officer ku album.
Hey, today we are in the main maranda bona chere officer album New Dawn.
Nikitukeleza.
Hey. Ya muzika unabane bawoti.
Welcome back. It's the Street Talk podcast. Ngazeni duka ndiswara ngwana wa maongoni. Chimwe chipinga basiyo kazu tu arawo dumongo fiba bika buso baba chikubuya after 6 years ebo do bika spaghetti. Bapenza bako bika mbodza.
Eish, tebya ngamanda. Ndabona Makhadzi apula onwaro ri album yawo delayed.
I think it's best to say it's delayed or pressure yabatu was worth it. Ngori, let's be honest. Ukobana ba manager wanu kana marketing team ini nabanayo ka record label. Ine awori of handler suzo bosso yanu. Let's go handle nga bathu bathi. You end up not getting the best out of it. And esa bosso yanu uteyo make sure uri nani one the best ufana naye. Zwavudi budene opedza akodivechera murawo ufira ini. Nangaze ndizino nangaze mahuta bo skido na vamwe banji bazwita uri artists dzavo dzibvelele. Ngobona. Mara arando sala nchiko ngari niko pressurize artist yanu kikwanyeledza na wana uri bathu dzifene ngamanda dzifene dza Makhadzi dzavadziko semana uri naone fortunate hana dzifene, so there's no need your Makhadzi poste suzwawe ano mini. Ndi bathu vane naona uri they don't understand the industry. Pasokota kadzonga uri kamsi vakono posta ka Facebook. Mara aranga sedza as a record label owner. These artists are not disappointed. Because remember, artists zanu, they are your bread at the end of the day.
Also, or delay or fortunator a push album, kind of EP.
Yeah, maybe or EP you gonna push here because it was unnecessary. Items to know KO. No mzulu drop and a KO could drop. You can't focus on two artists. At least give it 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Give each other this time and the space. And then the problem in they've become static. She's not giving us something really solid that is really worth. Yeah, when I get I felt something different. Yeah, this is what we're looking for.
Not to fortunate to grow a fan
base. Fortunate to grow a fan base and grow a fan base. But we share. Within a record label, in Makhadzi Entertainment, you build the fan base. Within that record label will benefit from it.
Fortunate na Makhadzi by music muti.
Fortunate is too template.
And kwambore arari nikori pati yofana chipinga. Simozori aba tuvemba zonofana. Ngori arari hava hip hop hava na house. Azifana dzinyimbo.
Mara muzika wabo yaelana and they were feeder from the same fan base. And then marketing team what target the same people.
Simozori I no fee fortunate have visa Makhadzi visa quality ngori batho badokono badodada bara
ngori again you want to always almost on every single song.
No man, the in terms of the sound that they are producing, is it the same sound?
It sounds the same.
The dance about
you said on the dance, it all sounds the same. Nothing new is really being brought to us. For me, they're not being artistic enough.
artist ngwana ngwe ka ebe na fan base ya.
Ni ngwana.
Namse ya pfindo kubvisa na musika nne ndiko.
Nanda nikabvisa machero.
Yeah.
But within the record label, who's been focused on?
Why niko shuma za michi?
They are overshadowing.
Ndikwambore why niko shuma za robot. Apa una chitu cho programiwa antipeni nicho shuma. Kwambore hanga da rise hapa idana na instruction. You can change that.
You can change na shera mazambane. Na fry.
But the problem where they've been feeding people the same thing.
Another thing kinendo fanga zuko dadisanyana. Then go album with auto renewal.
Auto renewal.
Masina ifimbo foro. Auto renewal ndo pusha ngori bathu bo dawela auto renewal. Ndiko diba.
Ati watu mbadiri ngori sino uko na open mic with the number of album with auto renewal.
Mara why chibo fimbo foro ngori. It was a nice way ya auto renewal.
Ona mafungu.
Auto renewal jambo rimboforo ngachivenda.
Ayo ndiayo.
So yeah, oita bari mini launch ya EP ya album Makhadzi yange fasi proper what Pitori utanga obana vibe nyana.
No, for people to vibe. Whether there's artist or no artist, propaganda is always full. That's one place that you can never go wrong around an artist.
Ukoshuma na Zonzo zin.
Yeah. I think Zonzo is part of the marketing we're trying to push. I guess Zonzo, when you check now, we involve almost every big gig around Ven.
No mona apostari. When is as ya mbizori
Mishaveshi Mova.
Arko chincha magia.
Hey, Mungamba the one.
Kwamba nanyi.
Mungamba the one is Zonzo poster goal and the poster do.
Ariba billion house. Bari Zonda.
Tamasi.
Ya Tanzania. Ziko Tanzania pala feti. Zonda ziko Tanzania.
Kenda rasi Tanzania ka. Hasi da Tanzania na Zonda zote.
Yeah.
Mazori mishonga ina chelede man.
Azia
bo kwitira kufuma so zwino nabo fonyi
tena fora kwiti
zino mwana zito bebeliwa
bo maira ba kufuma so zwino
zito bebeliwa mwana bya
zito bebeliwa.
Imagine tangana muthu last month aslanda imagine tangana ona na Raulo nga le mufira
mara ngime mishongeza abavere kagara abaite testimony ai tibaboni bathu bone mwana ko renga abaite testimony
baona kusiria
ndabona gogo maweni opostari ndiko glowa oro postiwa avuko uriko glowa
mara omisana minono yawela
ini ngutamba nganga gogo maweni ya mara bana chede ndia budi
so yeah talking about
kind of just to work
tino niko ja
gogo ndi chokoza
gogo ijena gae ka womaine like
ndi omakuru titini zona ka omakuru stop pirera ndi gogo
bana kwa 15
gogo tokoza gogo tokoza gogo B
hey, so I try to listen to the new album.
No, zamoto cheles.
Yeah, the new album, the album, new dawn, which means it's the beginning. Unfortunately, the beginning didn't begin in the right way.
No, forget is the end.
It didn't even reach the end. It died somewhere in the middle of nowhere.
See, hand.
Yeah, I don't know who mixed and mastered and what, but I just feel like it was rushed or pushed or it's just not.
If an orange was rushed, look, Mario Visa Rimbo. I got over 5 years. It was rushed.
It feels like it was something that was also going to eat. It was also going to eat. It was also going to eat.
You're Rashiwa.
I'm not impressed.
Who rushed it?
And then I was expecting to see maybe it's going to trend or.
Aye, Name. Tidizo go tangana mini.
He just doesn't have that.
No, Zama. uvula volume ya ntanyana tikofa chitu ndatopungudza nyana ngoma ndatopunguzesa ndo ndikonofa voices ori kuimbiwa ndikotamza ofisa album ya BTP so it's no kuimbiwa man.
It's just a mess, man. It's a mess. I accept your
come to deeper kama radio morwani
wamba agera beats ramafungo o mixa the album no the master ngo shimza the headphone the Shoprite ziyadina
Prifix mara but funi batike the Prifix album yova check any New Dawn. If you guys love that sound, go for it, play him.
If you love the trash
Ufi wambalivi ndito livu ya Kelly.
They must go back to the studio and rework the album.
The livu yellow.
Yeah, rework the album. It's not worth listening to. Yeah, lyrics ngo the five the ngwara yeah.
It's not worth as a comeback.
Nah. It's not worth as a comeback.
Ufno yofi the end
of the dawn.
Kana chikoberero. Chikoberero. Prifix netini bengi ndianifuna ngamanda. Ni arwa marai. Ngoro richa, ngoro chorwa Prifix. Urira ngakore. Urira ndikore zvipanda.
Tomona what?
Ndikore zvipanda bashi.
Yeah man, it's bad man.
Ola mfano ola mbukana ola wabana ye Black Nova. Blind mbukana.
Black Nova. Kana Black Nova
something. Blind. Ngomwana. Unathi huku za sharp. Wabekanye marai. Atichafana zvino ngori.
Hey. Hai, zoite. Ndikuchi.
Dziyaboya. Ndobona nawo mbukana Bonga una podcast yafa la Bonga. Oyiwantu. Oyiwa Odura Badani.
Una podcast?
Una podcast. If he embracing the masses with B.O.N.G.A. Bonga. Wako ruachi politiki la chawe.
But the hype is gone, Musi.
At least iko mtu zora vega avest ratani ngongwana.
But this is what the problem is. He doesn't.
Iko mtu zora tabaka podcast.
Ngomona the podcast. Ne? Ngomona ntiki mazwai. Oba una podcast la chipinde ntiki mazwai. Only to find out Asiawo. She was just working. So no Bonga is just working. It's not his podcast. That's what's happening a lot in South Africa. People are not owning their podcasts. So we own this one.
This is the only owned podcast. Yeah, Venda.
So yeah, I mean, I tried to listen to the album ya Prifix. It was not worth listening to. I'm hoping he will give people or his fans something new or something that is worth it, because whatever he released now, it's not what it's supposed to be. His talent is beyond that, man.
Prifix blind, man. Prifix blind, marai. Asungeda ngakona bizazuzina zingototamba zwavudi ngona ngori. Ara rimboso kopfara vo.
Kabe seka fizi maybe a mix era master.
Fizi fix blind, fizi blind.
Kana kwa show fizi do panga huku na.
Fizi do fizi ngwe huku apa la panga yawe.
Apanga yawe huku na verse. Apa Prifix ngota zone hapo.
Ziyabuya. Riko pira ndabona vana vanji zvavudi vanoimba dzi hip hop vakoshavela ka Manyalo kana dzi dance edzi dza vontu vari dzina chelede.
It's not about that. People don't the new artists or these artists they are unable to create club bangers. Baka trap, baka mini, and then people don't want to party on that. If you bring in a club song or a party song or a hip hop dance song, see, alamatrak na afazon dia hip hop marandam jive. See, they will win. But Venda, let's be honest. Nganda meto lesonga visa ndenyo area nda mufara watu ndamukande arichakonoba mwana mwa kwamba chitori antara
bara abakubukiwa ngori bakwemba dzini
badobukiswa hani ngori nyimbo dzine vakodzirelease they don't get people to dance ne bakozama ba hardcore rappers bako humwe bakosokota kadzongo bvisa dzinyimbo bako trapper while they can't even make a dance song on a track. That they can't even make a club song.
Very dance, Manyalo music.
They will go to dance and still not get
booked.
Slema ma do bukiwa vachikadiva vakodita.
The dance na vone ti.
Ndiri slema ma do bukiwa vatu voshava hip hop. See? Vaya vaita hedzo nyimbo dza Manyalo. Still they don't get booked because none wako foster and bunji yavo they can't even master the voice dzavo right when it comes to those tracks. Ndofa beat yange voice yange istonga zotofa iwoka mutambi.
Hey, aye.
Licha ya focus play mama. Ndofa track ya
GWITHA.
Ya GWITHA ya Tiago.
Tiago
ya hip hop.
But it's a dope.
Yeah.
Tiago
creativity. Una creativity.
It's a crazy creative kid.
He's a picker that creativity. Oh, blind. Tiago is
sick.
Gonna show me whatever he gets and make something content.
I think the doper one is Tiago.
Ne?
Yeah, what?
The fuck with him up. With a little Jenna, but from the Nero.
Yeah, so I'm telling you, Ray, G.WITHA and you still don't get booked because they're still gonna Ningaka piano, and you still drop a track beat ya piano ya Harvard. Because ziri zira ni piano ya Harvard Venda. Ngori Venda kongo jaiva kongo techelesa suzwa.
Yeah. But namsiri rikono ga ngozi bana ndi full house. Rakono rikwamenya na pala une ingakwama hone gigini ngozibona zikoiteya una heya pende roibona. Do you think yo zura hone?
Nope.
Engo zura hone ya pende. Ngami
ngezingan
asi October ngati 7 kana
namnizi 3 hauna activation hauna any movement
vatu babuyela royal gade vatu daumela murau futi
dura basi
ngori vatu vaumela vada vavona royal garden vatu vaumela futi ngazi
vanhu vajia live vadzura vatiraila
madhova mangana nai.
I feel now that gig. I wish there was more that is being done for that gig.
When Big Zulu,
no, Big Zulu doesn't pull the crowd, Venda. Big Zulu entertain within the crowd that is already there, Venda. You don't understand what you do. Niala uroto. Mara urono na upanga na wapana upanga ma chips. Na ndena zinyara na zumini ngomti. Heza susu engeza mudipo. Ngangomu aburoto bune abori mini ni abula raro still.
Hai. Ale me rivale ngo raro. Depende. But niye.
Yeah,
gaga.
But Chimlani and Gale,
we are just gaganying today.
7 October.
We are just gaganying.
We are back to the city, Mar.
We are just gaganying. Arivale bana. Wamba kana cooks arba tuno ditsera.
Kushutana zikoromo ke dzikopfuka ke.
Yeah, kushutana zikoromo baba.
Ubona koromo ke dzodara ke.
Yeah, rikono gaga mabanda, rikono gaga.
So rikote olisa koromo zvino.
So
rikono gaga.
So men Gale kana mbe ajet ila tonga Gale ngoma yami.
Naifa bana, naifa.
Street Talk podcast in the Hormuz.
Naifa.
Yeah, men Gale namara here. I'm very tired, man, you know.
Yeah, namsino tamba.
It's been a long day.
Kono rito gaga.
Rest in peace.
You know what it is when you know what it is.
Yeah.
Bana gigiza Venda supportani. Niye hote by Venda techelesa ningamanda. We are doing this to improve
if you're not getting booked Venda in this day and age, you are doing something wrong. Or Venda now there's more entertainment venues, entertainment gigs, and all this shit. If you're not getting booked at all, then you're doing something wrong.
Comes the Akwimba Manyalo. That's what's go bookiwa.
Enda na toka chingondo chino rowa ko dibukiwa. Na murofa ke ko dibukwa bambara the beginning tato. So amara here ari shama fungo
is the most
booked artist
and the most trending. Gwitha leri
Venrap yote.
slave mama
Nona slave mama ni Venrap na vone. Gwitha leri
that lady is being crazy and creative and then it's working for her. Amara here.
Wako buku opera.
Oh, buku opera.
Umrepa bote.
Wotangana. Nalendo ndio wera. Hai.
Tiko goroko.
Nazori namzofunda kudzura ndi akona fembedza kuti na haro. So I think no for na gona ngoto ring zwa haro afatsi.